Tell me about control statement.
Control statement is a flow of characters in Java. The compiler executes the code of top to bottom. The Java statement is a code of are executed according the sequence, according to order of sequence. Java provides statements that can use to control flow of Java code. Such first statement are also called as control statement, control flow statement. If it is one of the fundamental features of Java, which provides a smooth flow of program. Uh, there are three types of control flow statement. First one, decision making statement. Decision making statement. First one is if statement. If statement syntax is if control if condition, body open, body close. Then second one, switch statement. Switch statement syntax is switch keyword, uh, condition, then body open, and uh, instructions of any code, and then break keyword used to break case of each statement. uh, Second one, looping statement. First one is looping statement. In looping statement there are four types of looping statement. First one is do while loop, second one while loop, fourth one for loop, third one for loop, fourth one do for each loop. In Then third one, jump statement. Jump statement inside are two type of loop, two type of keywords. First one break keyword, and second one continue keyword. Uh, the break keyword is used to the breaking of execution, and continue statement used to continue the loop. Decision making statement are uh, as the name suggests, decision making statement. Decided which statement to execute. When decision making statement evaluate boolean expression and control of the program flow depending upon result and conditions provided. There are two types of control decision making statement. First one if statement, and second one switch statement. First one if statement. In Java, the if statement is used to evaluate a condition, thus the control of the program and resulted depending upon a specific condition. The condition on if statement gives boolean values, either true or false. In Java, there are four types of below. First one if statement, second one if statement, third one if ladder, and fourth one if nested. First one, and simple if statement. Simple if statement. It is a most basic statement among all controls of float statement in Java. It evaluates a boolean expression and enables the program to enter a block of code. If expression evaluates a true. Second one, if statement. The if statement is used to extend the if statement, which is used to another block of code. Is block is executed to condition of if is block evaluated as false. If statement syntax is if condition, body open, body close, and then if keyword, then body open, body close. Third one, if ladder. The if ladder contains a if statement followed the multiple if statement. In other words, we can say that the climb of if statement are created a decision tree, which are a program may enter a block of code where the condition is true. We can also define an if statement and the end of the climb. Then if statement syntax is if condition, body open, body close, then if is keyword, then condition, body open, body close, then is keyword. Fourth one, if is nested, if nested, if nested, if statement, the if statement can be continued if or if is statement inside another loop, another if of if is statement. The syntax of if given below. First one if, then second one if condition, then if body open body close, then second one if is condition, and then body then if is condition. Fourth one is switch statement. In Java, switch statement is similar to the if is statement, which statement contains multiple block of code cases and single case executed based on variables which is begin switch. The switch statement is earlier to use the instance of if is statement. It is also enhanced readability of code. Then cases of break statement. The cases of switch statement. The case variable will be integer, short, long, byte, character. A string type of also supported since version 7 in Java. Cases cannot be duplicated. Default statement is executed when a class of doesn't match in value expression. If is optional. Break statement is terminated. The switch block to the condition is satisfied. It is optical. If is not used, next case will be executed. Then default case is executed, which while using a switch statement, we must be noticed that the case expression will be the same type of variable. However, it will be consist value. Then second one, looping statement. In programming, sometimes we need execute a block of code reliability rapidly, while some conditions evaluate the true. However, looping statement used to execute statement are used to execute a set of instructions in a repeated order. The execution of set of instructions depend on a particular condition. The loop statements. Second one is if statements. The programming sometimes to need a executed block of code rapidly. The some condition evaluate a true. However, the loop statements are used to set up instructions in a repeated order. The execution order of instruction depend on a particular condition. We have three types of loops executed similarly. There are the difference of their syntax and conditions. Check time. First one is for loop, second one is while loop, third one is do while loop. In Java, for loop is a similar to C and C++. It is enable to the initialize a loop variable. They check a condition and increment decrement in a single line code. We use to for loop only we have extensively know of number and times we want to execute block of code. For loop initialization, condition, increment, decrement, then the body open, body close. Second one, Java for each loop. Java for each loop provides the instance of for loops to traverse a data structure like array of collection, such as for loop. For each loop don't need to update for variable. The syntax of for each loop is for data type variable, array name, collection name, then body open, body close. Third one is Java while loop. The while loop is used to iterate the over of numbers of statements on multiple times. However, we don't know the number is the iteration In advance of the advance is uh, recommendation to use of while loop. Unlike for loop, the initialization and increment decrement doesn't take place inside for for statement in while loop. It is also known as entry control loop since the condition is checked at a part of start of loop. If condition is true, then loop body will executed. Otherwise, the statement after loop will be executed. The syntax of while loop is while condition body open, body close, body open, body close. The next one is a for each loop, do while loop. The do while loop checks a condition while end of loop after executing a loop statements. When the numbers of iteration I know the we have executed the loop of last ones, we can use to do while loop. It is also as a exist control since the condition is not checked in advance. The syntax of do while loop is do bracket open, bracket close, then while and then condition. Jump statement. Jump statement is used to transfer the control of the program in a specific statement in other words, the jump statement is transferred to execution control to the other part of the program. There are two types of jump statement in Java. First one is a break and second one is a continue. The break statement, the name suggests the break statement is used to break the current flow of program and transfer the control of next statement outside the for loop or switch statement. However, it is break only the inner loop. In the case of instead loop, the break statement cannot be independently to the program. It is only be written inside a loop or switch statement. The break statement example for consider. Next one is jump Java continue statement. Unlike break statement, the continue statement doesn't break off loop, whereas it is a specific part of loop and jump to the next iteration to the loop immediately. Then next one is Java for each loop. Java for each